Hi beautiful friend, want to update every app on your Samsung Galaxy in just one tap? In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest way to keep all your apps updated, secure and running smoothly. So let's jump right in. First thing first, unlock your phone, then swipe the home screen to open the app door. Here you can use the search bar and search for Play Store. Once you found them, tap to open it. Once you are in the Play Store menu, look for the top menu bar, tap on your profile picture to open the profile settings page. Inside the page, scroll down a little, find the Manage Apps and Device option, tap on here. Within the menu, look for the Update Available, tap on See Details option. Now you can see all of updating available apps listed there. If you updated all apps at the one time, simply hit the Update All button at the top menu bar and wait to complete the process. That's it. Your Samsung Galaxy apps are now easy to keep updated. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and I will see you in the next one.